I'm Jacinta. I'm originally from Holland. I live in Vanray. It's about 2 hours drive from Auckland. And I'm teaching yoga at Yoga Circle in Vanray. I'm keen to become a wayfarer for Wanderlust because Wanderlust is such an awesome festival. I had a great time in Auckland this year, and Wanderlust brings a sense of community to New Zealand. So yogis can actually connect after class as well, and it really brings a sense of connection, what I love about yoga and about Wanderlust. So I participated in quite a bit of yoga community events here in New Zealand. So I went to Wanderlust, and I went to the International Yoga Festival in Albany this year. I also organized quite a bit of events as a yoga teacher together with Tim, who's lying down here below me. We started doing acro yoga together and acro yoga gems. We organized 108 Summer Salute events last year. About 40 people turned up. It was sort of a last minute event. It was really successful. We also organized a community picnic, and I'm really involved in connecting all the yoga teachers to build a community and to bring the yoga community from Vanray together. Yoga really learned me to get out of my head and into my body, and to really live more from my heart, to really follow my dreams, and to feel more happy about myself, more confident, and to connect with people on a deeper level through teaching yogis, but also with my family, feeling more at peace. And at last, yoga really learned me to see things from a different perspective. So right now I'm upside down, so yoga learned me to see things from a different perspective, and to have a more positive outlook on life. So my personal goals are for my yoga and my career and my family, those sort of all related and overlapping for me, is to keep on teaching yoga, to develop myself as a yogini as well as a teacher and as a partner, as a friend. I would love to own my own yoga studio one day in Vanray and to really make the yoga community in Vanray bigger and more interesting, so really get people into the yoga and for them to experience all the benefits. I also would love to continue with our acro yoga gems. So acro yoga is going to be more popular here in Vanray, and people can experience the joy and sense of connection and community while practicing acro yoga. I would love to do more training for acro yoga as well, to feel I can actually bring out more skills to the people here in Vanray and New Zealand. I also would love to travel internationally and teach internationally one day. One of my dreams is to actually organize either a retreat or a workshop or training together with my mom. She's also a yoga teacher in Holland. So a couple of weeks ago we had an opportunity to go teach in Spain together. It hasn't been going ahead, but it's definitely on my dream to do something together, organize it either in Europe or New Zealand. Namaste.